How to track your spending, simple method that actually works. Most budgets fail for one simple reason. Not because people don't make enough money. Not because they're bad with money. But because they don't track what they spend. In this video, I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly way to track your spending, so your budget actually works, without obsessing over every dollar. If you've ever made a budget, and then wondered where your money went anyway, this video is for you. A budget is just a plan. Tracking is how you check if that plan is working. Without tracking, budgeting feels like guessing. You think you're spending less. You hope you're staying on track. But you don't really know. And that's why so many people say, "I tried budgeting, and it didn't work." In reality, the budget wasn't the problem. It just wasn't being tracked. The good news? Tracking does not have to be complicated. A lot of beginners think tracking means writing down every purchase, checking numbers every day, feeling guilty every time they spend money. That's not tracking, that's punishment. Good tracking should feel simple, quick, and neutral. You're not judging your spending. You're just observing it. Here's the method that works for most beginners. Step 1. Pick one place to track. You only need one of these. Your bank app, a notes app, a simple spreadsheet. Not all three. Just one. If you're a beginner, your bank app is usually enough. Step 2. Track by category, not by purchase. You don't need to list coffee, gas, lunch, snacks. Instead, track by categories. Fixed expenses, variable spending, savings. Once or twice a week, look at how much have I spent in each category so far. That's it. Step 3. Check weekly, not daily. Daily tracking burns people out. Weekly tracking works because it's fast, it's realistic. It keeps you aware without stress. Pick one day each week, maybe Sunday, and do a 5-minute check-in. No emotions. Just numbers. Overspending will happen. That doesn't mean your budget failed. If you overspend, don't quit. Don't restart. Don't feel guilty. Just adjust. Maybe you underestimated groceries. You forgot about subscriptions. Life happened. Tracking shows you reality, and reality is what you build a good budget on. This method works because it's simple enough to stick to. It doesn't require perfection. It fits real life. Most people don't need more discipline. They need more awareness. Tracking gives you that awareness. If your budget hasn't been working, don't give up on budgeting. Just start tracking. In the next video, we'll talk about how to adjust your budget when it doesn't work the first time, because that's normal. If you want simple, beginner-friendly money tips, subscribe to Money Smart Start. A budget is the plan. Tracking is what makes it work.